Have you ever wondered about the fundamental nature of reality, the very fabric that forms everything around us? Today, on Alpha Awakenings, we're diving deep into the mesmerizing world of standing waves and zero-point energy, a phenomenon that might just hold the key to understanding the universe's most profound secrets. At the heart of our exploration is the nature of standing waves. These waves are not your ordinary ripples on a pond. They are intricate patterns of energy vibrating within a medium. Their unique formation results from the interference between waves directly emitted from a source and those reflected back towards it. This intricate dance of waves creates points in the medium that seem almost static, frozen in time and space, hence the name standing waves. But for these standing waves to manifest, certain rules must be followed. The frequencies at which they vibrate are not random numbers. They are what we call harmonic frequencies. These are not just any frequencies, but the exact ones needed to maintain a perfect balance of energy within the medium, allowing the standing wave to manifest and sustain itself. However, this delicate balance is easily disturbed. Introduce a non-harmonic frequency into the mix, either in the directly emitted waves or in the reflected ones, and you create chaos in the pattern of the standing wave. This disturbance is not a minor inconvenience. It leads to the collapse of the wave, dissolving the intricate pattern it once held. But why should we care about standing waves? Because as it turns out, they might just be the essence of everything. Our universe, vast and mysterious, is not just a collection of separate objects in empty space. It's a continuous wave-based existence, a fabric of potential energy stretching across every corner of the cosmos. Matter, in its core, is nothing but these waves concentrated at specific points, vibrating in harmony. Space, often perceived as an empty void, is actually teeming with potential. It's a medium of potential energy, a canvas waiting to be painted on. And the masterpiece created on this canvas? It's matter forming in predictable and mathematically precise patterns known as sacred geometry. These patterns aren't just for show. They are the foundation of everything tangible, from the smallest particle to the grandest galaxy. The story gets even more fascinating when we delve into the specific shape these waves take. Enter spherical toroidal waves, the architects of matter. These aren't just waves, they're interconnected, weaving through space, forming the nodes of energy we perceive as matter. This interconnectedness isn't just a poetic notion, it's the reality of our universe, where everything is linked, every wave, every particle, a symphony of cosmic interconnectedness. As we continue our journey through Alpha Awakenings, remember, the standing waves are not just a scientific concept. They might just be the very essence of existence, a fundamental truth waiting to be fully understood and appreciated. Join us as we unravel more mysteries and dive deeper into the fascinating realm of our wave-based universe. In the universe's grand design, sacred geometry is not just a mystical concept, but a foundational principle dictating the very formation of matter. Each node, each standing wave that forms the material world, owes its existence to precise mathematical patterns. These patterns, intricate and harmonious, determine the positioning of nodes or standing waves, creating the tapestry of reality as we perceive it. The universe, in its wisdom, utilizes these geometric patterns to weave the fabric of existence, turning potential energy into tangible forms through the rhythmic dance of standing waves. But who is the artist behind this grand design? It's consciousness. The geometric patterns forming matter are not randomly generated. They are directly imposed by the attentive gaze of consciousness onto the medium of space. This imposition is not a mere influence, it's a creative force, molding the waves of potential energy into the matter that forms our reality. The thoughts, the attention, the very focus of consciousness are like brushes painting on the canvas of the universe, with sacred geometry being the strokes that bring the masterpiece to life. This creative process is not confined to a single plane of existence. The universe is a multi-layered reality, with higher planes influencing the formation of lower planes through progressively complex sacred geometry. The geometric patterns of higher planes encompass all the information needed to form the entirety of the lower planes, ensuring that the grand design is consistent and harmonious across all levels of existence. This hierarchical structure is not just a cascade of influence, it's a symphony of creation, with each level adding its notes to the universal melody. At the individual level, each consciousness is an active participant in this cosmic symphony. The waves generated by an individual's consciousness are not mere disturbances in the medium. They are the sculptor's tools shaping the perceived world through their frequency and amplitude. The mind, the senses, the very fabric of thoughts, feelings, and emotions are these waves, constantly interacting with the universe, molding the portion of space that each individual perceives as their external reality. When multiple consciousnesses unite, focusing their attention on a common point, the impact on the fabric of reality amplifies. This collective focus can either reinforce or disrupt the formation of matter, depending on the harmony or discord among the intentions behind it. When the intentions align, the energy emitted by these consciousnesses creates constructive interference, strengthening the standing waves and accelerating the formation of new matter. This cooperative accumulation of energy with a shared pattern is like a chorus in harmony, amplifying the song of creation. However, when intentions conflict, the result is a clash of waves, a phenomenon known as destructive interference. This clash can disrupt the pattern of standing waves, leading to the dissolution of matter or the prevention of its formation. It's a cosmic tug-of-war with conflicting intentions, pulling the fabric of reality in different directions. In contrast, constructive interference born from aligned intentions acts as a force of unity and creation, reinforcing the standing waves and manifesting the collective will into physical form. This interplay of constructive and destructive interference is a testament to the profound impact of consciousness on the structure and fabric of the universe, showcasing the power of collective focus and intention in shaping the reality we all share. The role of perception cannot be overstated. The reality we perceive is not a static, predetermined scene, but a dynamic interplay of waves within the ether. Consciousness stands at the center of this complex web, its waves interacting, interfering, and intertwining to form the reality experienced by each individual. This interaction is not merely a passive occurrence, it's an active construction, with every ripple, every vibration contributing to what we perceive as our world. At the heart of this perceived reality lies the formation of matter, a process akin to the sculpting of the universe from the ether. This ether, a medium brimming with potential, responds to the concentrated energy of consciousness, giving birth to the basic structure of matter. Beginning with subatomic particles, this process unfolds progressively, following the intricate patterns set by sacred geometry. Atoms come together to form complex molecules, which in turn give rise to the vast array of structures we observe, from the simplest elements to the most intricate forms of life, all echoing the fundamental patterns of their origin. But for matter to maintain its form, to resist the pull of entropy and dissolution, a specific condition must be met: the presence of harmonic frequencies. These frequencies are the pillars of stability for matter, ensuring that the standing waves, the nodes of energy, remain intact. Sacred geometry is instrumental in this process, providing the blueprint for the formation and maintenance of these harmonic frequencies. Without the precise mathematical patterns of sacred geometry, the delicate balance required for the existence of matter would be lost, leaving only chaos in its wake. This reality, however, is far from isolated. The universe is a web of interconnectedness where every thread is linked to another. Consciousness, matter, thoughts, and emotions are not separate entities, but interconnected aspects of a single, universal fabric. The vibrations of our thoughts and emotions ripple through this fabric, influencing not just our own reality, but the shared reality of all existence. The universe listens and responds, echoing our innermost vibrations across the vast expanse of space and time. Within this interconnected universe, communication occurs through the language of waves. Every frequency emitted by an individual's consciousness is a message sent out into the ether, a declaration of existence, intent, and emotion. These waves do not vanish into the void, they interact with the waves of others, shaping and being shaped by the collective symphony of consciousness. The experiences we encounter, the realities we perceive are in essence a dialogue, a wave-based communication within the universal medium, a dance of frequencies harmonizing to create the song of existence. At the zenith of this cosmic structure stands the concept of the whole, or the source. It's not just an entity or a singular consciousness, but the collective, the amalgamation of all consciousnesses. Every thought, every emotion, every ripple of energy contributes to the formation of the whole. This source is not a distant, detached creator, but the very essence of our being, the collective heartbeat of the universe. It shapes and is shaped by every one of us, a testament to the unity and interconnectedness that forms the foundation of all existence. The toroidal flow stands out for its mathematical precision and fundamental role in the formation of matter. This flow, a vortex of energy spinning in a donut-shaped pattern, follows a set of mathematical principles that dictate its structure and dynamics. These principles are not just numerical abstractions, they are the architects of the toroidal flow, shaping its formation and governing its behavior. The mathematics of the toroidal flow is a testament to the universe's preference for symmetry and order, a blueprint that guides the flow of energy from the ether into the tangible. At the core of this mathematical precision are specific number sequences that define the structure and dynamics of the toroidal energy flow. These sequences are not random. They are the fingerprints of the universe, patterns that recur in the formation of matter and the flow of energy. The sequence of numbers 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, and 5, for instance, outlines the basic pattern or motor of a toroid in its fundamental representation. These numbers and their relationships are the building blocks of the toroidal flow, determining the energy distribution and the formation of matter within the toroid. Within the toroidal energy flow, an intriguing phenomenon occurs, the alternation of electromagnetic polarity. This alternation is not a mere fluctuation, it's a fundamental aspect of the toroidal dynamics, crucial for the stability and function of the toroid. As the energy flow shifts from one side of the toroid to the other, the electromagnetic polarity inverts, creating a dynamic balance within the system. This inversion of polarity is a dance of energies, a rhythm that sustains the toroidal flow and ensures its continuity. In the realm of toroidal dynamics, two concepts stand out for their significance: zero-point energy and its relation to the Fibonacci sequence. Zero-point energy, the energy present in the vacuum of space, is intrinsically linked to the toroidal flow. The structure and dynamics of the toroid harness this energy, tapping into the infinite potential of the vacuum. The Fibonacci sequence, a series of numbers where each number is the sum of the two preceding ones, also plays a role in the structure of the toroid, reflecting the natural progression and harmony inherent in the universe's design. The flow of energy within a toroid is not just a circular motion, it's a process of creation and transformation. As the energy spirals within the toroid, it follows the mathematical patterns dictated by the universe, leading to the formation of matter. This process is not a random aggregation, it's a precise, orderly progression from energy to matter, governed by the principles of toroidal dynamics. And at the heart of this process lies the concept of zero-point energy, the release of energy at the center of the toroid, a point where the universe's potential becomes reality. The principles of toroidal dynamics are not confined to abstract concepts or microscopic phenomena. They have profound implications on a planetary scale. These principles dismiss flat Earth theories, asserting the universal application of toroidal dynamics in the formation of celestial bodies. Planets, stars, and galaxies all owe their shape and structure to the toroidal flow of energy, a testament to the universality and consistency of these principles. The Earth, like all celestial bodies, is a manifestation of the toroidal flow, a dynamic, spinning vortex of energy that follows the mathematical precision set by the universe. In the realms of advanced civilizations, the utilization of energy transcends our conventional understanding. These civilizations harness unlimited energy technology, a feat achieved not through the exploitation of physical resources, but through the mastery of natural laws. Gravity manipulation and energy transmission are the cornerstones of this advanced technology. Civilizations harness the power of zero-point energy, transmitting it without cables across vast distances through air or vacuum. This form of energy transmission is not just a means of power distribution, it's a harmonious interaction with the fabric of the universe, utilizing the inherent potential of space to provide an inexhaustible energy supply. On Earth, our understanding of resources is shrouded in misconceptions. Commonly held beliefs about non-renewable resources, such as petroleum, are often misleading. Contrary to the narrative of scarcity, petroleum is not a finite resource derived from organic material, but a self-renewable mineral substance generated through natural geochemical processes within the Earth's crust. Similarly, the nature of atomic energy is vastly misunderstood. While touted as a clean energy source, its toxic byproducts and the profound risks associated with its use cast a shadow over its purported benefits. The establishment of nuclear plants on Earth is not a straightforward pursuit of energy independence, but a component of a larger, more ominous agenda. These plants are strategically positioned not just for energy production, but for their capacity to manipulate planetary frequencies. This manipulation is a form of terraforming, subtly altering the vibrational state of the planet to suit the covert intentions of controlling forces. The ionizing radiation from these plants plays a significant role in this process, affecting the harmonic frequencies of Earth and thereby influencing its energetic and physical state. The placement of nuclear plants and the occurrence of major nuclear accidents are not random or merely unfortunate events. These plants are strategically positioned on ley lines and vital energy points, forming a grid that impacts the planet's energetic field. Major accidents such as those at 3 Mile Island, Chernobyl, and Fukushima are not merely failures of technology. They are orchestrated events with far-reaching implications, deliberate releases of radioactive isotopes designed to affect Earth and its inhabitants on multiple levels. These events serve as a stark reminder of the profound impact of energy utilization and manipulation, urging us to reconsider the true nature and intent behind the technologies we develop and the energies we harness. Zero-point energy stands as a testament to the universe's boundless potential, a concept that defies our traditional understanding of energy limitations. It emerges from etheric depolarization, a process where the inherent energy of the vacuum, the ether, is harnessed. This energy, omnipresent and inexhaustible, represents the ultimate clean and limitless source of power. Far from being an abstract concept, zero-point energy is a tangible manifestation of the universe's untapped potential, offering a vision of a future where energy scarcity is obsolete. In the pursuit of harnessing zero-point energy, advanced civilizations have engineered reactors that are marvels of technology and design. These advanced zero-point energy reactors epitomize efficiency and safety, operating on principles that align with the natural laws of the universe. Their design is not just a feat of engineering, but a harmonious integration with the cosmic flow of energy. These reactors do not merely generate power, they resonate with the fabric of space, tapping into the ether's infinite potential to provide a stable, abundant source of energy. The prowess of these advanced reactors lies not only in their technological advancements, but also in their adherence to the universal principles of sacred geometry and toroidal dynamics. These reactors are not random assemblies of components, they are meticulously crafted to align with the geometric patterns that underpin the cosmos. Sacred geometry and toroidal dynamics are the cornerstones of their design, ensuring that the reactors operate in harmony with the universe's inherent patterns, channeling energy in its purest, most efficient form. Among the most profound applications of this technology are the quartz crystal reactors, utilized by advanced civilizations as sources of immense clean energy. These reactors harness the unique properties of quartz crystals, structures that are naturally attuned to the universe's vibrational energy. In these reactors, quartz crystals are not passive elements, they are active participants resonating with the energy flow, amplifying it, and transforming it into usable power. These quartz crystal reactors stand as a pinnacle of harmony in between technology and the natural order, a fusion of science and cosmic rhythm, providing energy that is as powerful as it is pure. The Kardashev scale, conceived by astrophysicist Nikolai Kardashev, serves as a cosmic yardstick, measuring the level of a civilization's technological advancement based on its ability to harness and utilize energy. It categorizes civilizations into 3 types. Type 1 harnesses the energy available on its planet. Type 2 exploits the energy of its stellar system, and Type 3 commands the energy of its entire galaxy. This scale seeks to quantify a civilization's progress in terms of sheer power management and energy consumption. However, the Kardashev scale is not without its critics. It has been pointed out that the scale, with its focus on energy consumption, does not account for the efficiency or sustainability of energy use. It presumes a linear progression of energy exploitation, overlooking the nuanced and holistic approaches to energy that characterize truly advanced civilizations. Critics argue that the measure of a civilization's advancement should not be merely the quantity of energy harnessed, but the harmony and sustainability with which it is utilized. In contrast to the Kardashev scale's implications, truly advanced civilizations do not seek to dominate or exhaust their resources, but to coexist synergistically with them. These civilizations prioritize zero-point depolarization and sustainable energy practices, tapping into the limitless potential of the universe without causing harm or disruption. Their approach is not invasive but cooperative, not exploitative but respectful. These civilizations understand that true advancement is not in overpowering nature, but in understanding and aligning with its fundamental principles, harnessing energy in ways that are sustainable, efficient, and in harmony with the cosmos. In our journey through the realms of standing waves, sacred geometry, and advanced civilizations, we've uncovered profound truths about the fabric of reality and our place within it. Now let's translate these cosmic insights into practical implications and personal empowerment. The power of consciousness in crafting our individual and collective realities cannot be overstated. Each thought, each intention, acts as a brushstroke on the canvas of the universe. It's crucial to recognize the significance of focus and intention in this process. By consciously directing our thoughts and energy, we can shape the waves of potential into a reality that resonates with our deepest desires and aspirations. However, the path to manifestation is often clouded by conflicting desires and the undercurrents of the unconscious mind. It's not just about wanting or wishing, it's about aligning with clarity and awareness. Understanding the principles of wave interference and sacred geometry can be a beacon, guiding us through the fog of uncertainty and conflict. By harmonizing our desires and intentions, and by navigating the delicate balance of the energetic landscape, we can manifest a reality that truly reflects our innermost self. The The knowledge we've explored is not just for contemplation, but for practical application. In our daily lives, we can harness the principles of wave interference and sacred geometry in various ways. For instance, the construction of more efficient rodent coils is a testament to the application of these cosmic principles, merging science and spirituality in a harmonious symphony of energy and intention. As we close this chapter of Alpha Awakenings, remember that the journey doesn't end here. The universe is an open book, and each day is an opportunity to write your own story. Visit our channel for more insights and explorations into the mysteries of the cosmos. If you've enjoyed this journey, like and subscribe, and become a part of our ever-growing community seeking knowledge, empowerment, and enlightenment. This profound exploration was inspired by the incredible work and information from the YouTube channels Cosmic Agency and Swaru Official. For a deeper dive into the source of this inspiration, find links in the description of this video. Each of us is both a creator and a creation. With every thought, every intention, we weave our thread into the universal fabric, contributing to the grand design. Embrace your power, align with your highest truth, and watch as the universe unfolds in harmony with your deepest intentions. Remember, you are not just a part of the universe, you are the universe expressing itself as human for a little while.